In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can change Facebook password in 2024. So click on your account. Go ahead and click on setting and privacy. Click on settings. Here, you need to click on Meta Account Center. And then simply click on password and security. And then simply click on change password and choose your Facebook profile. And here you will need to type your current password and you need to set new password here. I'm gonna retype my new password. Alright, so once you have set your password to a new one, then simply hit on change password. And once you have done that, you are done. So you can now log out and try out login with your new password. And there we go, guys. So we have login using our new personal password. And it's that simple. And this is how you should be changing Facebook password in 2024. It's that simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.